Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install TeamViewer on your Windows PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser and here just type TeamViewer download and click enter to show the search result, and here you can see mm, their official website TeamViewer. Click that Windows download option here, and here you can see TeamViewer for Windows. There are two type of TeamViewer: to provide support or to receive support. If you want to provide support, you can download this one, and if you want to get the support or receive the support, just download this one. So I'm gonna download the provide support option here and click it, and it will start to automatically download on your PC. And after finishing the download, go to the containing folder here, and here you can see the TeamViewer. Just double click it to start the installation process, and after that click accept and next, select yes, and as you can see the installation process is started. Give it a little bit of time to finish the installation process. As you can see, the installation is completed. I'm going to minimize this window here, and here is the TeamViewer on my desktop shortcut. I'm going to double click it to see if the software is opening or not. I'm going to select I accept and select continue. I'm going to just cross this one for now. And there you go. The TeamViewer is installed on your PC, so you can use to give support to other PC. So this is a video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will catch you on the next one.